Okay, I made a plan.
That sentence should make me feel safe. Somehow, it does not.
No, this is a serious plan. I used bullet points.
David, last time you followed a sign with too much confidence. Welcome back to Real Talk Tokyo. Last time, David was 45 minutes late.
A painful but fair summary.
Today, he says he has changed.
I brought a plan, a pen, and emotional growth.
Okay, what's the plan?
Saturday, 10 o'clock, we meet here. Then we take the train to the art market.
So far, normal.
At 11:10, we enjoy culture. At 11:30, we become inspired.
You scheduled inspiration?
Only 30 minutes. I am being realistic.
I'm not sure about that.
Fine. Inspiration can be flexible.
Did you check the train times?
I checked a train time.
A train time.
One train existed. That felt encouraging.
David?
I know. I should check the actual schedule.
Good. That is already better than last week.
What's the plan? A simple and natural way to ask what someone wants to do next. It works with friends, coworkers, and travel plans. What's the plan for Saturday? We have 2 hours before dinner. What's the plan? I'm not sure about that. A polite way to show doubt. It is softer than saying that's a bad idea. I'm not sure about that. Did we check the weather? I'm not sure about that plan. It feels too rushed. That could work. Use this when an idea is possible, but you are not fully sure yet. It sounds open and cooperative. If we leave earlier, that could work. Lunch near the station? That could work.
Can I make one suggestion?
Yes. I am open to responsible feedback.
Let's keep it simple.
How simple are we talking? Because I already made a color system.
Of course you did.
Green means fun. Yellow means food. Red means I forgot something important.
How many red boxes are there?
Emotionally? Several.
Okay, 2 fixed things. Train time and lunch place. Everything else can be flexible.
That could work.
See? Natural, calm, useful sentence.
I wanted to do better because I know I made you wait last time.
I know, and I appreciate that.
Really?
Yes, but I still do not trust your inspiration schedule.
Fair. What about emergency snacks?
Actually, that is smart.
Thank you. I have strengths.
You have snack instincts.
I will put that on my resume.
Start by checking the train schedule.
Already opening the app.
Growth.
If you only remember one thing, I'm not sure about that is a soft, polite way to question a plan. Today's phrases, what's the plan? I'm not sure about that. And that could work. Now tell us in the comments, team plan or team flexible. Would you trust David after this? Next time, David tries to order coffee in Japanese. Maya prepares for impact. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe for more daily English lessons.